Hello guys, hope you guys are all doing well. Today I'm gonna teach you how to build a online course educational website on WordPress. Here you can see on my screen this is a beautiful online course educational website. You can see how beautiful it is, how it looks, the courses and all that. These are you can see these are news for blogs, testimonials. This is nice. The footer. This is perfect. All right, let's go. Now we're going to using Hostinger for our website. We'll also be using for the hosting. We're going to use Hostinger, and I'll be dropping the link in the description, so you go check it out. Hostinger is one of the best hosting platforms. You can see this is a pricing plan. I love Hostinger. It's affordable and it's awesome. You can see the premium plan you have $2.49 per month. Then the business plan you have $3.29 per month, and the cloud setup you have $7.49 per month. This is awesome. So we'll be going for the business plan, and look at the cool thing. The premium plan, you can host up to 3 websites, which is amazing. The business plan, you can host up to 50 websites. Wow. Then the cloud startup up to 100 websites. This is awesome. This is crazy. And it's very affordable. So you go up to the link in my description and hit up these platforms. You can crush up and get your hosting. So let's comment. Logging into my dashboard. I already have a hosting plan, so I won't be getting anyone. All right, we have our dashboard is up. Network is kind of clunky. Now you could see I've hosted a lot of sites here. These are the list of sites I've hosted on Hostinger, and this is awesome and very perfect. Oh, Hostinger is the best. So let me go ahead and let's create a new website. Let's host a new website with WordPress. So I'll click on the add websites button, choose WordPress. It loads up. Alright, so now I'm going to set a password for this website. My WordPress password for this website, I'm going to set it up. So now, no thanks. So here is very important. Now guys, this is very important. Now we're going to be hitting on the create blank site, not using this theme here. We're going to import a theme, but not from here. So let's create a blank site. So hit on the blank site button. Then for the domain, we're going to go for a temporary domain for this tutorial. Now our WordPress is being installing, so let's give it some time to install. All right, it's done installing, so ready to go to our WordPress dashboard. It's going to take us to our WordPress dashboard. Here we are. We're on our WordPress dashboard now. This is WordPress dashboard. Now let's quickly go and import our theme that we'll be using for this website. Go over to appearance, click on themes, Here we see we have some active themes here, but we won't be using this one. So we click on add theme. Then here you're going to see some awesome themes here, but we won't be using any of this either. So click on upload theme. We're going to be uploading our own theme for this website. So the theme we're going to be using is Udemy. That's the name of the theme. Udemy is the name of the theme we're going to be using. And before the end of this video, I'm going to show you where you can get that particular theme for a very affordable price. Where you could get it for a very affordable price. So I'm going to drag in this theme here. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the install now to install the theme. Let's give it some time to install. Okay, now we're going to click on the activate button to activate this theme. All right, here we're going to click on install and activate. Give it time to come up. Now we're on the welcome page of this theme. So let's click on next step, save. Now it's going to ask us for the required plugin we're going to install. So we're going to click on plugins to check all this. So we're going to be installing and activating all this plugin because it needs all this plugin to work properly. So we're going to click on the install and activate button. Then give it time to install and activate. It's installing. Wow, the plugins are now being installed. Now we're on the import demo content. So these are all templates we have here on this theme. You can see they are all awesome. Also templates. We're not building anything from scratch. We're not building anything from scratch. We're going to be using a template for this to make our work faster and smoother for us. So here we have a template here. We're going to using this one. So click on the install button, then click on import to import this template into our website. So it's importing. Let's give it some time to import. All right, now our template is being installed. Template is being installed. So let's take this off. Okay, so let's see how our site looks. Let's view site. Let's see how it looks because we imported the templates. So view our site. Let's see how it looks. All right, we have here is our site. You can see how beautiful it is. This is looking awesome. Looking awesome and nice. You can see just one click and we have an awesome site. Just one click and this is great. So now I'm going to teach you on how to set some certain things up and how to customize your theme, to change the background text, change the slide, your logo and all that, to customize it to your own taste, to your own way you want it. I'm going to show you right away. So let's dive in. Before we go into that, let's see the course page. Let's see the courses. Let's see how the course page is. Okay, this is the course page. Is all the courses here. You could see this is the course page. This is awesome. You can make postages of your course, come to your website, go to the courses, see the list of courses you have, and make payments to them. These are list of courses. These are categories of courses. We're going to teach you how to set all this up, set your price and all that to make your online course educational websites. This is awesome. So let's dive into our customization. So first of all, we're going to our dashboard. Then we're going to pages. We're going to see all the pages we have, all the pages that has been imported. Going to pages. Now these are all the pages that has been imported. All the pages is awesome. Then if we head over to LearnPress, here we can create our courses. We could create lessons, create question, orders. Can see our orders when they make postages. You could see the categories, tags, statistics, add-ons, your themes, your settings, everything is down here. Your course preview, you can also see them down here. So before that, let's see how we could customize the home page. So we were using Elementor. It works with Elementor perfectly well. Works with Elementor. So go back to our home page, then edit with Elementor. Now we're on our home page. So you come over here at this header here, you're going to see a button, edit with Elementor. I'm going to click on that, open a new tab, open it in Elementor. So we could do our customization, change the text, change all that we're going to use to fit for our. All right, here we have, open it in Elementor. This is our home page, Elementor, you can see. Then we could do our customization here, change some text, change some pictures and all that. For example, okay, here we have benefits of learning. You click on it, then you could make your changes here. Benefits of learning. We're learning our course. We're learning our course. So you could make your changes, but this is a tutorial, so I'm not really making any changes. But you can literally do anything you want to do here. Change the background colors, change this image. You can change this image if you want to. You can do some awesome things if you want. Hit on the once you're done making your change, hit on the publish button. Hit on the publish button, then you go back to your website and you refresh the page and you see the changes. This is awesome. This is awesome, guys. This is awesome. So now, guys, let's go back to, I want to show you how you could create your courses. You could create a course for your website. So let's head over to our dashboard, the WordPress dashboard. Here in LearnPress tab, you could see courses, you could see lessons, quiz, question, order, categories, tags, statistics, add-ons, themes, settings, tools, course review. So creating your course, click on create course, click on the courses. Now you can see our list of courses we have here in this website. These are a list of courses we have here. Wow. And this is awesome. You could want to edit them, you could edit them, or you could create one, a brand new course. Click on this, add a new course, to add a very new course. Then if you want to edit this, you could also click on this edit here and you could make your changes for this course. So let's say I want to add a new course to this website. Click on add new course. Okay, here we have a tab where we can add a new courses. Now here we add a course title. We could give this you could say how to make websites on WordPress. Sorry, MZD. How to make website on WordPress. You give your title, you paste in your description here of the course. You scroll down, you set the duration of the course. If it's 10 weeks, you can also tweak this to a minute, hour, and days. This is awesome. Allow repositories. You could add fake enrolled students. So once they viewing these courses, they might see people like 10 or 15 people who are attending these courses, but to be frank with you, no one has attended or no one has make payment for that particular course. So you could take your time, you go through it, you make your settings to your preferable way. Want to add price, click on price here. You set your regular price, you set your sell price, your profit, and all that. If you have any enrollment requirement, you add it here, then you hit the update button. But before that, you could also add a feature image for your course. Add a feature image down here. Click on this, add a feature image. I won't be adding any. Add a feature image and all that. Let's just add this one, or let's use this. Add a feature image. Then we scroll to the top, and you create a tag, categories here. Then let's create a category. So let's say WordPress. Then click on enter. Then here you have your WordPress categories here. So what's next? You click on the publish button down here, sorry, up here. Then your course is live now. So if you head over to the course page, you're going to see your course. Let's do that now. Head over into courses. Let's see our course. Here you can see we have our course. This is our course here, how to make website on WordPress. Click on it. Here you could see the course we added. You can see the official image we added. We didn't add course description, so you can go ahead and do all that. Add your curriculum, put all those things in place. Just take your time and put all the necessary things you want. Now I'm going to show you where you could get this website. Come to chaserise.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you could go get it. or you come to your browser, you search for chasericeconsult.com, and here you have your website. Then you scroll down, and here you could see the theme. Here you can see other themes here which you could get for as low price. You can see the theme here, and this theme is going for 5,000 naira, very cheap than the ultra price you get on Team Forest for this theme. So you click on it, see the details of this theme. You can see the theme is awesome. It's awesome, and it's very cheap. It's very cheap. 5,000 naira you've gotten this. I think that should be $3 or so. Yeah, so this is a theme, EdumaTheme. There's a live demo. Click on this to take you to the main place where you could purchase this theme, and you could see over here, you could make purchases for this theme for over $69, which is very expensive. And you could come to my website and you could get this theme for 5,000 naira. You could see the theme here is for $69, which is very expensive for your budget. Come to my website, you get it for 5,000 naira. I think in the dollar price that should be $3 or more. I believe so. You see here you have the theme here for $69. Why over here in my website you can get it for 5,000 there. So you go there, you purchase the theme and use it to build your online course educational website for your client, for your school, and all that. So that'll be all for this video. Please do well to like and subscribe, and hit the notification button so I could make more videos